Hello people, how you all doing? Hope everyone has been doing great. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe on raisin salad with cucumber, carrot and all of those beautiful fruits and vegetables. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Like I will always tell you guys, use whatever vegetables and fruits that you have available. Whatever fruits and vegetables you have available, honestly, turn it into food, healthy food for that matter, and everyone around you will enjoy. I like people around me to feel comfortable and very happy. So go ahead and dice these vegetables into your bit sizes and mix everything together and get the best salad. I know my lovely people don't know that Gucci's is on a little vacation. Yes, okay? I know a lot of you don't know, but just for you to know, Gucci's is on a little vacation. I'm in my friend's house, so I'm making this salad. This is carrot, cucumber, and apple. Okay? Yeah, so if you have vegetables in the house, go ahead and make something like this and enjoy. Here, I have some grapes. I'm going to add this in. You know all my favorite fruits. I'm going to add them here. Would you like to share with me your choice salad recipe on the comment section? Thank you. Here it is. If you are not a salad fan, please try this salad recipe. You will come back to say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen. Yeah, what did I tell you I have here? Apple, carrots, cucumber, and grapes. You can either use red grapes or green grapes. I have green grapes, but I just want to go in with red grapes because I have cucumber, which is the green. And I'm also going to add some vegetables. Okay, so in here I've gone ahead to dice my strawberries, and I'm going to add my strawberries. Everyone that knows me loves my salad recipe. Everyone. Even my family in Africa are missing my salad recipe. Can you imagine that? You have some vegetables. You have fruits, all manner of fruits. This is beautiful. The best salad ever. This is my vegetable that will be going in. Isn't this incredible? And I'm going to be going in with mayonnaise. I don't have enough, but we'll see what we can do with this. I'm also going to be going in with this. Who else loves olives in their salad? I love, love, love it. So I went in with my mayonnaise. Use your choice brand. This is the brand I used. This brand is a very good brand. I'm going to go in with the olives. Do you like the green olives or you like this color? It is the Jewish people that use this a lot. It is called Greek olives. I love this a lot. Olives in your salad is awesome. You just give it that little kind of sour taste. I'm going to go in with some raisin. Okay. I want it full of deliciousness. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. This is a beautiful recipe for salad. Honestly, you would say, thank you, Gucci's, for teaching me all these beautiful and healthy meals. Guys, this is called raisin salad. It's fruits and some raisin, you know. Yeah, we're going to mix everything in. Mix, mix, mix until it is well incorporated. And voila, salad is ready to be eaten. I hope you like this video. Share, share, share. Okay, and turn on your notification bell. Look at this gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous. This is pretty. This is just so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is just so beautiful, coming from Gucci's Kitchen. This is just so beautiful, too beautiful, too beautiful. This is just so beautiful, coming from Gucci's Kitchen.
That's right. Can you help me
I'll call your phone, okay? I'll call your phone, darling. Ah, this is good. This is just too beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is just too beautiful, coming from Gucci's kitchen. Come on, sweetheart, come on, enjoy. Enjoy.
Go ahead and start.
Enjoy, people. Start, enjoy.
We might need some other utensils here. You want some?
Isn't this beautiful?
It is.
Yes, let's eat it.
This is so beautiful. Go enjoy. Guys, oh my goodness, Gucci still be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. This is the most beautiful video. Life is too short, so anything you can do to keep your environment, booming and inciting, just go ahead. Please share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones. And look at my gorgeous ladies enjoying on the table. Isn't this beautiful?